At sa huli, laging nananalo ang nagpapatawad. This is how I want to end this year. Gentle and calm. One of my quiet times with God, I ask Him to examine my heart. I want Him to expose my heart. Kasi alam kong hindi ko maipapanalo ang mga bagay na hindi ko binibigay sa Kanya. I know it's hard, sobrang mahirap. Yung tipong kahit masakit pa, isusuko mo na lang sa Kanya. Pero I suddenly realized that at one point, I was also in the same exact position who needed the grace and forgiveness. And guess what? Inabot ako ng Diyos at pinatawad ako. Makakatakas ba sila sa consequences when I forgive them? No. Makakalimutan ba ni Lord na nasaktan ako when I forgive? No. Pero payapa na ang puso mo. Mas magaan na, mas masaya na. We can forgive and set boundaries. We can also forgive and share the same grace. At the end of the day, your responsibility is to forgive, and it is God's job to serve justice for you. Bukas, sana magaan na. Mas magaan ka ng tingnan sa mata at malaya ng masasabing, pinapatawad na kita. With love and prayers,